What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in Topanga. Got Foot Locker, got JD. Also do have a Champs. Also got Shoe Palace next to Social over there. And of course we're gonna stop by every one of those. We're starting with Borders though. Skate shops have had a ton of Nike SBs lately. And they just released, I think, a couple of Nike SBs on Thursday. The other SBs did sell out. They still have the white and the black gum right there. All right, it is behind the counter. I swear I bought like 10 of those for family members and stuff like that. Pretty dope. Figuring out if I should get my kid a couple because I got size 9.5 for him. And I had him try a bunch of sneakers on and yeah, they're way too big. They're way too big. I'm like, what the hell? You have size 9.5 on certain shoes, but I don't know. I guess not with Nike. I don't know. I'm so mad. New Balance coming out with some interesting stuff right here. Look at this. The 272. Definitely not familiar with these. $80. They are the Jake Hayes apparently. Okay, got a couple of them. Is it just that powder blue one that's sponsored by that fool or what? I don't know. That's interesting. Didn't one of the Borders have this one on sale? Sure, one of them had these on sale. $70. SpongeBob Vans right here. We do have a clearance section right here, so of course gotta look around. I think these are things that we have seen. The iShod wears right here. Didn't even check the price for you guys, my bad. It looks like these are 40% off. Down to $65. Yep. One was $69.99. This is 30% off. These are the Grant Taylor blazers right there. Another one right here. This is 20% off. One of the Jamie Foys right here going for 50% off. This is a pretty dope colorway as well. Got a couple of his. There's another one right here. 30% off for that one. 808s right here. I think these look pretty cool. Probably decent for wide footers. 30% off for these bad boys right here. Got some Lakais right here going for 40% off, 75. All black Grant Taylor right here. If you need some blazers, man, 40% off these. And it does have that nice soft suede on it. The Grant Taylors do have canvas on the midsection. It's usually suede in the front and canvas in the back. Kind of like a mullet. Got some Nijas right here, go for 20% off. It's the Nija 2s? Nija free 2s, my bad. One of the Lakais I've been talking about. These here and there kind of gives a dunk feel. Not too bad. This is the, what were these called? The Telford Lows. 30% off, 85 for these. Got another one right here. This one is 30% off as well. Okay. They do have a bunch of snowboard gear and stuff like that. They do have sales and stuff too because winter is starting to wind down. California, we do have that short winter season, so they do have stuff on sale. Got Shoe Palace right here. I just saw a customer with a huge freaking dog. What's up with people bringing dogs to the mall? What the hell? Not the biggest dog person in the world. I'm not like huge into animals. But yeah, both of these Currys right here. These are the Curry 11s go for $170. Wasn't one of them on sale a while back? This looks to be a new model. I've never seen this before. Adidas Foam Supernovas. Kind of a slimmer version of the Adidas Foams. Definitely interesting. $50 for those. I've never seen those. Starting to see the Idolette slides on sale. The 2022 slides. $30 for both of these colorways. Right here, this one's still going for $55, the original MSRP. Nice Kicks collab right here. Nice Kicks is owned by Shoe Palace, so that is why they carry this. I haven't seen this anywhere else, so probably a Shoe Palace exclusive. Probably have it at Nice Kicks too. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. These Sambas ain't bad. Sambas ain't bad. You can see like that super soft leather. Not great for wide footers. Not great for wide footers. That's why I stay away from the Sambas. $130 for those. And they have the usual suspect, a bunch of Jordans. We all know that most of the Jordans are widely available. Do got shoot, the Craft 3s, is that what these are called? I'm trying to remember. These are going for $210. I do like these. I do like these. And if I was in a really good financial situation, I definitely would have grabbed these. Maybe at the outlets too. Maybe look for these at the outlets and then grab one here. But yeah, I'm trying to save up right now. Trying to save up like crazy. Got a bunch of expenses coming. $210 for these. These are dope, dude. These are dope. I got the Python 2s right here. The Python 2 lows with the faux alligator leather on the side right there. I got the one low OGs, regular one lows. Got a new colorway. This is a wild colorway, dude, of the John Morant's. This is wild. Holy cow, just so many different colors. Don't even go together. This is what the young generation likes though, right? I don't know. To me, kind of wacky, kind of crazy. $140 for them now. Wow. Wow, they're going up a lot. Eventually, they'll be like these, going for $70. Oh, this one came out for $142. See, this colorway looks so much better. Doesn't this look so much better than that one right there? Like, the colors kind of match. I don't know. Like, $140 for these. Pretty freaking dope. I don't know what colorway this is. I don't know. But pretty dope. Pretty dope. Got KD3s here. They've been throwing out a bunch of different colorways of the KD3s. Giving KD some love with the retros and stuff. $130 for those bad boys. Do got the pennies right here. The penny ones still go for $100. Vapor Max Plus Sunset colorway go for $100. Scorpions down to $100 now. If you need to be a baller and a little bit taller, grab one of these. Women's section do got sales in the women's section. Got some of the waffle debuts right here. Got some of the Air Max 1 premiums. $80 for these right here. So Ross did have these for cheaper. Of course, at Ross, you're not going to get that many sizes, but not bad. Then they got a couple of the corduroy Air Max right here, Air Max 90s. And then Air Max 97s. I've never even seen this one, and it's already on sale. People just not liking the 97s. They're coming out with like a million different colorways. I like this one. I like this. I love corduroy. It's a hard material to clean, but they look so dope. We do have Topanga Social, which has apparently been really popular. We did do a walkthrough on my channel before. Pretty much a ton of restaurants. You know what, 19 different restaurants or something like that. You can pretty much order from any restaurant, and you can order it all together, which is pretty interesting. Do got a Champs right here. And to be really honest, I would think they'd have some more sales because things have been really slow at the mall. Yeah, literally like $10 off and stuff. Sales are pretty whatever, dude. Not seeing too much craziness right here. Like not seeing much sales too, because this is pretty much the Jordan releases right here. The Midnight Navies right there. See the Fear 3s, Chambrays. Got the ones. Not too much, not too much. This colorway of the Tatum's not too bad. Kind of like camo, but not really. Very breathable. What did these go for? $120? They've come out with a lot of colorways. Then the Take 5s right here. Definitely seems like they're trying to make it more wearable for casual wear. Because it didn't even look like a basketball shoe, to be honest. But you can see the support and stuff like that. So definitely still made for hoops. Kind of looks like skating shoes. But yeah, this is the Take 5s right here. The budget Westbrook's $100. So got the next gens, and I guess they're all kind of, I guess it's like the second generation of the next gens, because these look way different from the OG next gens, which I don't really see any here. But yeah, these kind of look like these bad boys. I thought that was just to emulate his Zoom generations, I guess. I guess the next gens all kind of look like this. Okay. These are slightly budgety versions of the LeBrons. These are $170 for these. This is the type of stuff that's not making sense to me. Like they got the LeBron 20s and they're not even on sale. They're not even on sale. Like this just doesn't make sense. Kind of weird. Yeah, and I was saying, I guess this is the first gen of the next gens. Second gen right there. Okay. Because even with that colorway, you can see a lot of the differences. Some similarities, some differences. And this one is suede. Lakers color, MPLS color. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. $170 though. Then I got two different rivals of the Simpsons. This is the Bart Simpson colorway right here. Then we also have the itchy and scratchy colorway. right here. I think on the other side they have scratchy or itchy or whatever the hell. I don't know which is which. But yeah, both of those are going for $1.30. And then one of the most well-known memes ever. Do have the Homer, Simpson, Stan Smith right there. Oh, I didn't know they got Homer right there too. Just chilling. $1.20 for these bad boys. Leather, nice and soft. That's cool. I'm not a big fan of that sale Mitchell, but a lot of the fools have been doing that lately though. Oh, you get this one, you get some genuine stains on this bad boy right here. These are some Forum lows. Going for $1.10. Hopefully you don't get that one. Kind of disappointed in the dearth of sales. Some CSG stuff. Going for $15. I've showed you guys that material is actually really good on that CSG stuff. But yeah, it's a really slow time, so I thought they'd have a lot more sales. Not really. Not really. All the Infinity Run 4s right here. I've been getting these for hella cheap. $1.60 regular price. Dang. Time for Foot Locker. See, this is what I'm talking about. $20 snapbacks. And these are new era. Got a bunch of $20 ones right here. Got a trucker hat right here. Dodgers trucker hat. And an all black one. This is pretty dope. Black trucker hat right here. Lakers. I'm not a fan of that black cement one right there. Got Angels. More Angels. With the taco? What the hell? And then got Raiders right here. Rams. Some of these are fitted hats. This one's a fitted right here. They got multiple sizes. $20. $20. These are normally like $30 something. Got Raiders. Snapback. This one, to me, makes no sense, but it is what it is. Jordan selection right here. Only thing really sticking out, Jetman Team 1s right here. Got one below as well. These are the ones that Eddie Jones used to play in way back when. I got 6 rings, like whatever, pay regular price for 6 rings, $1.70. Then these mids right here, kind of standing out. One of the few that I haven't seen before. Where they go for $1.35 now. And these are $1.25 right here. I guess this one, the red one must be an SE. Yeah, it is an SE. Okay. Okay. Dude got one left over. Jordan 37 right here. Going for $80. These are $100 off, so not bad. We've seen them for $50 at some spots. So yeah, this is the one that one of my boys was asking me for. They only have a size 11.5, so I don't know if these are gonna go on sale. I don't know if he knows it's like iridescent too. I don't know if he'd like that. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, these are 2 bills for those. And then these sold out at Shoe Palace for $100. There's still 2 bills here. KD 16s in multiple colorways, going for $1.60. Mostly black right here. Can't really go wrong with that. These look like they have so much support on the sides. Got that big old plastic piece right there. Got 2 lace holes to hold that up. Okay. I was just about to say none of the 574s on sale. This bad boy is on sale. This is more than 50% off too. It says, I don't know about the leather though, man. I like the suede ones. But, cause yeah, this isn't like the highest quality, but still $40, hella cheap. They do have some of the suede ones and stuff, but none of them on sale, man. None of them on sale. This black one is clean. Dude, look at this. It has that nylon on it. I just realized, speaking of 574s, I'm wearing some 574s. These are all suede, or mostly suede. I actually paid retail for these. I think I paid retail. I think I got $10 off because I used the survey coupon. But I went to a bunch of different places. These were selling out because I guess people like them. I don't know. But yeah, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. Got some Argyle. Is that the print? Argyle on the tongue right there. And then wearing jeans, it is kind of cold. Wearing jeans. I don't have any New Balance pants or anything. So yeah. And then wearing some Niners gear right there. Man, Niners better win tomorrow, man. I'm going to be pissed. I'm going to be pissed. Here at Westfield Topanga, they have the Topanga Social, which is kind of like a bougie food court. And then they have a regular one here. And it's just super smart because what do? People, whenever we go out, we eat, right? That's what we do in America. We go out and eat. So people are definitely going to gather here more. They're going to get a lot more traffic. Super smart. Do got JD Sports. Last store here. And of course, first spot we got to check out. Reduced section. $100 all white Ultra Boost, pretty freaking clean. Pretty clean for $100, not bad. See 990s on sale. All the New Balance folks are gonna know, man, these rarely ever go on sale. They got plenty of sizes. Yeah, these are made in the USA, which you just rarely ever see. I give New Balance tons of props for that. That is super, super dope. And they got like mini sales right here on 574, some Gazelles, and some Solutions right here. Jordan 1 highs, been seeing this colorway. Nobody was really into that one. Air Max 90s right here, got plenty of sizes. Because it's only $20 off, $20 off. Got Air Forces right here in questionable colorway. Was that Seafoam? Was it a Seafoam colorway or something? 97s right here, going for pretty freaking cheap. Women's J's right here. Lucky Green 3s, $50 off. Probably don't have men's sizes. Got ones right here. This looks like a big size though. This looks like a size 10. Oh, size 12. Size 12. You can put on the regular laces because this looks extra girly right here. But yeah, $130, so $50 off. That is pretty dope. Neapolitans, $40 off. Got sizes 9.5 and 10. Air Max 1 premiums right here. Lows right here. Forms right here. These got little platform lift on them. $100 off the Vapor Max Flyknit, the 2023s, right? 2023s. Grade School J's right here, the 5s. Got the 6s right there. 13s. The 312s right here. Bunch of stuff. Bunch of Jordans on sale. All right, that was JD Sports. Pretty decent. We saw Jordans on sale. We also saw Nike SB Dunk lows, which you rarely ever see, right? Those are pretty dope. Saw plenty of skating shoes on sale. So not bad, not bad. It started off kind of slow, but it did kind of pick up a little bit, especially towards the end right there. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help with what? Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. Got plenty of stuff coming. Got plenty more. Here at Carmax, doing some research on some cars. This Impreza looks nice. A little more expensive. Oh, that's an STI. That's way too expensive. Just came here to do some research. Prices at Carmax tend to be hella high. I still haven't even found exactly what I want. Kind of just doing some research. That looks pretty familiar. Trying to see if something like this would work for me. I think the Dodge, I think these are a little bit bigger. The Challenges are a little bit bigger, especially for the back seats. Not as quick though, not as quick, but does that really matter?